I'm Sakina Abubaker from South Africa, born in South Africa. My dad is Tamim Abubaker, the late chairperson of the Zanzibars. The first African slaves to come to the Southern Africa was Zanzibars. If people are doing whatever they're doing, let them do, but let them know the history of Africa first. If I was born here, my dad was born here, and then you want to call me Kwere because I'm Sakina Abubaker, pride hurts. Sifika manje thina sikhulele lana ezalweni ngoba nisibiza amakwerekwere kwerekwere leli liyezake ngikhulele kaZulu mina uma ubuthelezi ushenga umnyamani uzala kamacengu uleke komchuni ngizoyenza njani ke mina ngibiza ngekwerekwere ngusakini waBhubheki ngizoyaphi menzothuka amashangana kanti awakephi amashangana amashiya ngane menzoxosha namashangana we need to know what's happening bra oqala ngoba ngixosha abantu anixosha nathi zalole la no it hurts. And another thing, no, ID number, phela bathi manje nina nizohlukumeza kwathini yini bayakhatha bathini nizohlukumeza thina la ANC whatever, fuck all of y'all. In the end of the day, we are all Africans. Fuck whatever, we are Africans. Sifana nazo umlando wenu uma wami uthandazile Metropolis futhi ngizalo Abubaker mina baba mne ID kodwa samakhe oqala amakwerekwere oqala la okufika la the first slaves ayithathwa beme bayazi kahle ipolitiki so thini ke thina sizoyaphi ngoba mina ngazi ukuthi ekhaya la kwanina amaZulu ngiqalaphi nomZulu namaXhosa niyaqabana thina sobobani nini kumanje niyaqhathwa ngiqhathwe ANC lepathi nina nizosibulala sobani ke thina kwamanje ngoholela amakwerekwere wona la sondla sobathini fuck whatever bra. Fuck whatever politics, we're Africans. So in Zanjan, no, it hurts.